So are you still struggling to trade on the US30 market? So I want to show you guys something truly incredible, all right? These are the trades that I have taken today within the US30 market. The very same trades that I actually given my US30 Telegram group. And I want to tell you guys something. Brace yourself because the results are truly incredible. So these are all the trades from today, as you see. 1231, all the trades from today. Everything was in the money, okay? The great thing about these trades, you're talking about over 400 points that I had, multiple setups, amount to over 400 points that I found for my students, and everything was in the money over here, okay? You know, if whenever you're ready to get started, I'm walking my students through every setup, play by play. I'm leaving no one behind, so get connected.
Now listen, I'm not the only one who's winning around here. I want you to witness what my students are saying from all across the world after gaining access to our private US30 Telegram group, where I point out trade setups and walk them through them play by play. And best of all, this is all done in real time.
And you see, here's what makes our US30 Telegram group so powerful. It's not just about telling everyone when to get into the market. It's about the clarity, it's about the education, and it's about the execution. I'm walking my students right through the trades in real time, pointing out the setups and all the exit points, letting them know when they can run their trades up and run their trades all the way down using SIT. I'm pointing out all of the 12 predetermined setup areas that we watch in the market where all the big moves take place. That happens each and every day. And the best thing about it, I break down the market play by play. That way you're never lost and you always know what's going on. We're not guessing over here. We're actually strategizing. Now I know that a lot of you may feel intimidated of trading on the US30. And some of you may have even given up trading on the US30 altogether. Maybe you've struggled to find consistency, or you find trading just too overwhelming. But let me tell you, under the right guidance and the right strategy, you can finally win trading the US30. And our Telegram group is where I'm able to really prove my dominance inside the markets and showing my true skill set as a trader. Now today alone, we were able to profit over 400 points in the US30 market. So imagine what's possible when you have the right guidance and the right tools in place. Now, if you traded on the US30, you know the possibilities are endless. So do not continue sitting on the sidelines. Get connected, join our Telegram group so that I can walk you through trades like everyone else. So if you're tired of doing it all on your own, and if you're ready to finally take control of your trading journey, do not wait another day. Join the US30 Assassins Club, where you can get connected to our US30 Assassins Telegram group and start seeing the US30 market in a whole new way. And I'll guide you through every setup, every play, so we'll all make money together. And I look forward to training each and every one of you.